Hey everyone, just tuning back in to let you see my bird food container that I painted for my birds, my two parakeets. So that's the top of it. This is the bucket that goes inside the trash can. And then I painted this on it. I don't know if you can see it that well. So I got that done for my birds, and all you gotta do is press this and it opens. Well, I don't think I can hang on to that too. Anyways, it opens, and this can goes inside. Oops, hang on. Goes inside of it, like so. So all I have to do is press this, get my bird food out for my parakeets. And it was just sitting down in the basement, not having any use for it. I only used it a couple times. So I cleaned it all up and painted it and wrote at it. So that's it. Love you guys. Have a great day.